सारखे 10 वर्सां पयलीं ह्याच जाग्याचेर आमचे ऑनरेबल MLA दाजी साळकर हांणी इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें अनंता फिजिओथेरपीचे आनी आज बी ते आमचे बरोबरच आसा. सो यू नो आय एम वेरी ग्रेटफूल टू देम टू बी हियर. अँड आमचे आसा MMCचे चेअरपर्सन गिरीश बोरकर बी आमचे बरोबर आसा. ॲक्च्युली हे आमी रोटरी पणजी रोटरी रिविएरा बरोबर विथ association with them we have started this. Ye venture म्हणजे गोवाचे दीपक बांदेकर, it was his initiative and we have come a long way and we have tried to help people तांकां medical relief दिवपाक. It is through Bandekar Charity Foundation and we will keep helping people in this way and we only need support of all the people and I'm very happy that this has happened in Marmugua, Vasco. And we will continue doing this good work in the future. Thank you.
आज रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पंजीम रिविएरा आणि अनंता फिजिओथेरपी सेंटर आणि 10 वर्सां पयलीं जे फिजिओथेरपी सेंटर स्टार्ट केल्लो ताचेच एक सर्वीस एक्सटेंशन तांणी आज 10 वर्सांनी केला. आज तांची एनिवर्सरी म्हणपा जाता आणि ह्या 10 वर्साच्या निमित्तान तांणी एक फॅसिलिटी आनी एक एड केल्या म्हणटा ती मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स जी आसा ते खंय तरी आज ते जे गरजू आसा तांचे कडेन दिवपा वता. आज आमी पळयता की मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट जितलो म्हारग जाला, मेडिकल ट्रिटमेंटूय म्हारग जाला आनी तेन्ना असल्यो गोश्टी मेळप म्हणजे एक कोणेचोय सपोज एक पांय मोडलो जाल्यार ताका पांय मोडलो जाल्यार 1-2 म्हयन्या खातीर एक व्हिलचॅर लागता नाजाल्यार क्रचीस लागता आनी तो बाजारांतल्यान घेवपाक गेलो जाल्यार खूब एक्सपेन्सीव जाता ते आनी 2 म्हयन्यांनी मागीर ताका ताजो यूज नासता. सो आज अनंता फिजिओथेरपी सेंटर आणि पणजी रिविएरा जे रोटरी पणजी रिविएरा आणि दोनच्या जोड पालवान ही एक बरी फॅसिलिटीज स्टार्ट केल्या. कोणाकूय सपोज गरज पडली क्रचीस जावं, ऑक्सिजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर्स जावं, व्हिलचेअर्स जावं, वॉकर्स जावं जाल्यार ते तांकां लोनार दितले आनी तांची गरज जशी भागता जशी पेशंट बरी जाता ती परत दिवपाक मेळटली तांकां तितलो खर्चूय तांचो साल्वार जातलो म्हाका दिसता. एक बरें इनिशिएटीव. 10 वर्सां पयलीं हो सेंटर स्टार्ट जालो तेन्ना हांव हाज्या इनॉग्रेशनाक आशिल्लो आनी परत एकदां आमदार म्हणून म्हाका परत ह्या फॅसिलिटीन येवन तांची जी प्रोग्रेस जाता ती पळोवन खूब बरी दिसता.
On behalf of Rotary Club of Panaji Riviera, it gives me immense pleasure to note that we have completed 10 years of this project, which is the Ananta Physiotherapy Center, with the help of Bandekar Charitable Foundation. Through this center, we have been able to touch the lives of the needy, not only in the beautiful city of Vasco, but the surrounding areas of Vasco city. We have, with the help of the doctors and the consulting team at the center, managed to cover almost around 6,000 patients per year. In the last 10 years, we have been working for the needy, and due to the requirements, we decided that we should do something that will supplement the Ananta Physiotherapy Center, and that is the Medical Equipment Bank. This Medical Equipment Bank will help the needy whenever they require some equipment for a short time, or it will help them when they cannot buy something on their own. I wish the center all the best, and Rotary Club of Panaji Riviera is thankful to the Bandekar Foundation, Charitable Foundation, for all their help in setting up this center in the Vasco city.
Hi, I am Yogesh Kulkarni, past president of Rotary Club of Panaji Riviera. Rotary Club of Panaji Riviera was founded in the year 2004, so we are a 20-year-old young club, one of the most prominent club in the district 3170, which comprises of Goa, South Maharashtra and North Karnataka. We are very strong in community service. So community service is where we do a lot of projects. In fact, this project is also part of community service. Some of our salient projects that we have completed over the past 20 years could be, we've done 800 plus free cataract surgeries. We have done in the year 2019-20 2 grants. One was a COVID grant in which we gave the first RT-PCR machines to the state of Goa. There were two RT-PCR machines, and this helped Goa during the second wave of COVID, when the machines supplied by us or donated by us took care of a lot of testing requirements of the government. The lab which we set up as part of this grant is today declared as the best district level lab in the country. So imagine the good work that we have done as part of Rotary Club of Panji Riviera. We've also donated breast cancer and cervical cancer screening machines, which the poor ladies can avail of free of cost. This is also a project which we wanted to do since the breast cancer and cervical cancer the incidences are very high in Goa. So yes, we pride ourselves in having a very good bonding in the club. We think Rotary Club is our second family. We get together for a lot of events, for functions, for festivals, and this bonding between members is what makes our club the best in the district.
Hi, this is Dr. Suja Chugani, physiotherapist at Ananta Physiotherapy Center, Vasco, Goa. Today, Ananta Physiotherapy Center is completing its 10 years of physiotherapy service rendered to the community in Vasco. And on this anniversary, the inauguration of Equipment Bank to mark the 10th anniversary of Ananta Physiotherapy Center.
Basically, today we are all gathered here because we are celebrating the 10 years of Ananta Physiotherapy Center. During my presidentship in 2013-14, on 30th June 2014, we started the center. Basically, the idea was to provide, medical facilities to, lesser financial people who cannot afford certain treatments which are a little expensive. So we have been giving treatment to people at a very reasonable cost, that is about 50 rupees per session, per injury. And so it works out pretty reasonable for people, who cannot afford a very expensive treatment. And in fact, there are many times that we have also done it free of cost for people who are really, who cannot afford a treatment. So that was the purpose, and I'm glad and I'm happy that it's been 10 years, and we have actually around 700 patients we see about in a year. So it's been, I think we've treated about 7,000 patients in the last 10 years. And I'm really grateful to the Bandekar Charity Foundation and the trustees who have been supporting us in this cause. And I'm really happy because we couldn't have done it without their support. As a celebration and on the occasion of this 10th anniversary, we've decided to open the equipment bank. It's a medical equipment bank. We have a Fowler bed, we have oxygen concentrator, walker, walking stick, quadrupod walking stick, and a Fowler bed, and oxygen concentrator, wheelchair. There are a lot of equipments which are here, which we are going to provide them on loan to all the people, the community people of Vasco and across Goa also, whoever is in need. And it will be basically given at a deposit, which is a refundable deposit. So once they use it for a month, 2 months, or whatever number of months they need, once they return, the deposit will be refunded. So that is how we are planning to do it. And we hope to reach out to more people, and so that we have a healthy Goa. Thank you.